Alrighty, it's time to get ready to dive into flavor today. Chef Shannon Samuels is serving up fresh, mouth-watering seafood that brings the taste of the ocean straight to your plate. Hi, Shannon. Welcome to Weekend Smell. How are you?
Thanks for having me.
I mean, we're talking about luxury seafood, but just, with a spin, a little twist. Tell us about that.
So, I started a thing called Seafood Thursdays. So, I wanted to bring fresh seafood for persons who love seafood. However, the person normally say they're bringing uptown. Well, my logo is bringing uptown, downtown.
Okay.
But persons always say, oh, them go uptown and can't get the food if you eat, or that's too expensive for them. But don't worry, Shannon is here. She's going to prepare mouth-watering seafood, as I said, for persons who think they can't afford that luxury seafood. Okay, but I see where we have salmon and water crackers. I don't think I've ever seen the two together.
Well, you're seeing it. Right? Because a lot of persons would think that, salmon is a little bit more, luxurious.
Thank you.
And, when we talk about water crackers with your seafood, we're talking about more roast fish kind of vibe, right? So you're mixing the two today,
yes, right? So I'm doing the salmon. Sorry, let me get my gloves. All right.
Yes. You can still let us know what you're doing in the meantime.
So this is now a crackers. So I'm pan-searing the crackers. So I sear the crackers, start with some garlic, some fresh thyme, and then add the crackers.
Okay, so you're sauteing the crackers.
Yes.
Did you find
flavor?
Oh wow!
In the crackers, the thyme and the.
And then in addition to persons, talking about affordability, did you find that persons wanted something that was just different?
Yes, they want different, and for them to have different, they want affordability also.
Okay.
So that's what I'm bringing today.
So instead of just going somewhere that sells seafood and say, okay, you can get an escovitch fish or, some grilled lobster, just normal stuff, a little curry shrimp.
Yeah.
But you decided, it seems, you added some Jamaican twist.
Some Jamaican twist.
To seafood, right? To different types of seafood. And, in addition to salmon, what other, persons would classify as high-end seafood that you offer?
Lobster.
Lobster.
Yes, I also do conch. I also do the salmon again. That person's, as said, it's expensive. So I'm showing that it's not expensive.
Right.
Or if you think it's expensive, Shanna is going to make you get luxury affordable.
Luxury, but you're going to make it affordable.
Yes. So
all right.
The garlic, and I'm going to just start it all with the crackers.
Wow, okay. So giving the water crackers a little different flavor here.
It's a little uptown vibe.
A little uptown vibe. I love how you put it. So, Shanna, tell me now, how often do you do this Seafood Thursday?
So the Seafood Thursday, because I work differently, I do the Seafood Thursday every single Thursday.
Okay.
So every Thursday, you can get that proper seafood meal. So I'm just going to season the salmon with some Cajun.
How long have you been cooking, Shanna?
Oh. Honestly,
you're just using the tongs like it's a knife or it's like a fork or a spoon.
Since I sear the salmon. I've been cooking from my 9-year-old. From I'm 9, I'm doing this, loving it from I'm 9.
Okay.
Then I get bigger, and then I started pursuing my career in chefing.
Yeah. Pass the crackers for me, Shanna. Come on, pass them over here. You finished with it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we finished with the crackers. Nice sauteed with a little garlic and thyme and thing. Okay, and then now we're actually getting the salmon done.
So I'm searing the salmon. Then add all my aromatics.
What's that you're adding now?
So this is bell pepper, chopped bell pepper.
Some chopped bell peppers. Yes. Okay.
Some red onions.
Some red onions.
Fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic.
And fresh thyme.
And fresh thyme. So you say every Thursday. Where is this though, Shanna?
We're located at 20 Belmont Road, off Windward Road. So Belmont Road, off Windward Road, every Thursday.
Okay, what time do you kickstart?
Start from in the morning. So if you want lunch, 11 o'clock, lunch ready.
Okay.
That's start from like 10 in the morning, straight to until about 8 in the night.
Wow, wow. And I mean, what has the response been like for persons who come out and try these exotic dishes?
It is so great because what I bring is, like, as I said, uptown, downtown, and person's response is very great to it. They haven't seen like this, them think them can't get a salmon seared this way. Okay, Shanna's gonna bring it to you. So
yeah. I mean, how did you even think about complementing salmon with water crackers?
It's just a chef life, and it's just something that I came up with. This fish, that I almost go with fish.
Yeah.
But then I tasted this salmon and I said, okay, This has something going in it.
Because
So each other.
I normally have water
Because-
crackers with my roast
Alright.
fish, you know, maybe a snapper, you know, a little
suppose they don't want a
butterfish,
fish
doctor
with no bone.
fish. Ah,
Bone.
okay.
Then you can have a salmon with it. So this is some coconut milk.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So I'm just gonna and let the
You hit
salmon
the-
cook down.
You hit the nail on the head there, right, Shanna?
So now
right
you can
there.
add the crackers because
Yeah.
they're gonna be saucy.
Ah,
So that's where the two sing
okay, okay. And you know, when we come and we order, is it done to order or
Done
do
to
you?
order.
Okay, okay.
It's not gonna be prepared as like done to order. As the order, you get it. Order, get it.
What would you say is your best seller?
Salmon.
The salmon
Yes,
with the
it's
water
Cajun.
crackers
No, with pasta. So it's like Alfredo and then add the salmon on it.
on top. I love
top,
that.
that.
Love that. And if I want to mix it up, and you know, say Shanna, I want a little shrimp in
Yeah,
the
but I
mix
can
as
say, man,
lox.
Shanna, add some shrimp, no? Mm-hmm. Add the shrimp.
You add the shrimp.
Add the shrimp.
You got us. Shanna.
Everything you want. Add the conch, add the conch.
Okay.
Anything you want, just you and me talking food, good to go. Anything
Good
you
to
want,
go.
good to go.
Is it also a case where if I'm coming to visit you and you know I can call in to order to say Shanna, I'm on my way, you know, I want my salmon in coconut sauce with my water crackers, you know, ready. I can have it done for when I get
Or if
there.
you don't want it this way either, I can do it grilled for you, just the same. Anyway, you want your meal, I do it that way.
Okay, so we have salmon in coconut sauce. You
Right.
mentioned grilled salmon as well.
Grilled salmon.
What other styles
Shrimp
you do?
Alfredo. As I said, conch, so the other starches. So it's garlic mashed potato, crackers, as you see, pressed plantains, bami, of course, kind of fish,
Yeah.
bami,
And like a festival.
breadfruit, and festival.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And then, of course, you know, persons loving the salmon as well.
Loving the
Even though
salmon.
you're saying, guess what? I make it affordable for you.
Affordable.
And this is quick, easy to
Quick
make.
and easy to make. So you can say, oh, your meal in like 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. See?
Easy does it.
Yeah, easy does it.
In terms of, you know, the conch though, what persons tend to go for with the conch?
Roast and curry.
Roast conch and curry conch.
Yeah, roast
Okay.
and curry.
All right. And then the shrimp, no.
The shrimp, oh my God, garlic. Garlic shrimp is the #1 seller for me.
Yeah.
Persons love the garlic shrimp that I do.
And then if I want the regular Jamaican style.
the regular
fishes,
curry shrimp,
yeah,
of course.
Or even fish, like,
Or
you know,
fish.
escovitch fish.
Those
roast
are on the
fish.
menu, you know.
Okay.
Escovitch and roast fish, but sometimes I just uptone it for you.
You just uptone it.
Uptone it.
I love that. Love
just
that.
uptone
Okay,
it.
so what else are we gonna do now?
So
Shano?
that's just the salmon. So we're gonna take the salmon out. And we're gonna pour all this luxurious coconut sauce over it.
Ooh.
Then
All right, put it over this
we're
side,
gonna
Shano.
garnish with our fresh parsley.
Add a little fresh parsley to garnish.
Garnish. And there you have it.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Our coconut sauce. Then now
Wow.
you see why the crackers come in play now. You can just have the crackers with it.
So it's Cajun
Coconut salmon.
Cajun coconut salmon
Yeah.
with a side of water crackers.
Yes.
I love that for us. All right, Denz, to come and visit you, Shana, how can we contact
So
you?
you can contact me at 395-5697. And as I said, you can link me on Instagram at Chef Life Denz. And social media, Facebook, Chef Life Denz again. And the number that I just gave, 395-5697.
And if I'm having an event, Shana, and I want you to come prepare, you know, these meals for my guests, you can also do that for us.
You can also contact me through those social media medium.
Okay.
And the number 395-5697.
Oh, this smells so good, guys. I can't wait to dive in. I cannot wait to dive in and try all of this goodness. All right, guys, it smells great in here. Chef Shanna Samuels, we've got more We Can Smile after this.
Dancing fever.